All right. So long division is pretty miserable, not a whole lot of fun. Synthetic division is much easier. And synthetic division, you can't always use it, but I recommend using it when you can because it makes the division a lot easier. And so here's how you do synthetic division. What you're going to do is you're going to take the opposite. You're dividing by x plus 2. So you're going to take the opposite of that. So opposite this, which is negative 2, 2, which is negative 2. And you're going to put that in the top corner here, okay? Put a corner there. Next, you're going to put the coefficients of these values. Now, remember, notice it starts with the third power, and then they skip the second power. So I got to put a 0 because there's no second power there. -7, -6. And I should have wrote down no squared power. So I don't know if that helps or not, but I was just showing it skips a power, so we have to account for that. Now, so we line up the coefficients. Next step is we're going to take the leading coefficient. We're going to bring that down. So I'm going to draw an arrow, bring that down underneath here. And synthetic division is kind of fun and it's kind of easy. You just follow a pattern of multiplying and adding. So I'm going to multiply this value in the corner by this number that's down here. So -2 times 1 is -2. And so whatever that answer is, you're going to put in the next spot. And then your next step is you're going to add these two numbers. 0 plus -2 is -2. Multiply -2 times -2 is +4. So you +4 there. Add the numbers. -7 plus 4 is -3. Multiply -2 times -3 is +6. -6 plus 6 is 0. This last number is your remainder. Teaching a little bit ahead here, remainder. And so what in the world do these coefficients, or what do these values mean? Well, these are the coefficients of your new polynomial that you'll get when you divide this polynomial by this polynomial. And so what you do is you go down 1 on the power. So go down 1 from the cube power. I don't even know if I need to write that. I'm going to just... So you're going to go down 1 from the cube, so it'd be x squared. We'll start with x squared. So this first one's going to be the coefficient of x squared. So it's going to be 1x squared, and then you go down -2x, because x is the next exponent in line, then -3. And there's no remainder, so this is your answer. So you go down 1 on the highest power, so you'll go down to squared, x squared, and you just follow the coefficients, -2x, -3. And so that's your answer.